Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to register an account on the Soundraw AI. And now with that being said, let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Soundraw account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address soundraw.io and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Soundraw.io. So let's wait for it. And you can see guys, this is the home page of Soundraw. And now to sign up for a Soundraw account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign up button available for us. In order to sign up, let's click on that sign up button and it will be redirected to the registration process of the Soundraw. So you can see over here. Now guys, in order to register an account on the Soundraw, let's enter our email address with which we will be verifying our Soundraw account, as well as later on logging into or using the Soundraw account using this email. After that, enter your password guys, and after entering your email address and your password, you will have to select a plan for the Soundraw AI. Either you want to use it for a year or monthly. You can see there are different billing status. I will be going with the monthly, and on the next step, you will be required to choose your payment method. Either it's a PayPal or a credit card. If you want to proceed with the credit card, simply click on the circle just beside the pay with the credit card over here. You will have to enter your credentials of your credit card or your debit card. You can see like your credit card or debit card number, your date of expiry, your security code, and if you have a promo code, do make sure to enter a promo code here and click on apply to apply your promo code. And with that being done guys, I'll just continue with the PayPal with the similar email address. And after entering all of your details over here, simply click on this box where it says by clicking the create account button below, you have agreed to their terms of services and privacy policies. And with that being done, go a little below and verify that you're not a robot and a human. Click on that box and complete the assigned tasks in order to verify that you're a human, and after that click on verify. And after doing all these steps guys, simply click on the PayPal button available over here. Click over there and the verification link will be sent to you on your email address over here. Open that verification link, click on it, and you will have created an account on the Soundraw, and this bill of the Soundraw AI or the amount you need to pay to Soundraw for using it will be deducted from your PayPal or your credit card the moment you verify yourself, and an account will be created. And with this email address and your password, you will be able to use your Soundraw account on the future. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Soundraw AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.